This tutorial shows you how to set a different vibration for calls, messages, or specific apps. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, tap on Sounds and Vibration. From there, tap on Vibration Pattern. At this point, you'll see a list of built-in patterns like Basic Call, Quick, or Heartbeat. In the next step, tap on any pattern to preview how it feels. Following this, select the one you like and it'll apply as your default vibration for calls. Once done, go back to Sounds and Vibration and tap on Advanced Sound Settings if you'd like to set vibrations per app. From here, tap on App Sounds and Vibration. At this stage, select the specific app you want to customize, like Messages or WhatsApp. Keep in mind, not all apps support custom vibration patterns. Some rely on the system default, regardless of what you set here. Finally, toggle Custom Sounds and Vibrations on for that app, then choose your preferred vibration from the list. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize notification vibration patterns on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.